Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening OneNote and creating a dedicated meeting notebook page. Name it with the date and meeting title so you can sort later. Next, paste or insert a lightweight template that includes agenda, objectives, and a quick action item table. This gives structure and saves time. Once done, add attendee names at the top and tag key roles. Make sure to pin the page or favorite the section so you can access it fast when the meeting starts. Now you capture the meeting. Follow the agenda headings and type concise notes under each item so you keep pace with speakers. Use OneNote tags to mark decisions, questions, and action items. Assign owners and due dates inline to avoid follow-up gaps. If audio helps, record the meeting inside OneNote, but rely on short summaries for discussions and verbatim only for critical quotes. Once an action is assigned, add it to the action table and flag it for easy retrieval later. Finish by reviewing and cleaning the page. Expand tagged items into a clear action list, confirm owners and due dates, and bold decisions for visibility. Then share the page link or export a PDF. Make sure you set edit or view permissions correctly so recipients can act. Once done, notify attendees with a short summary. If things go wrong, force a manual sync, verify shared notebook permissions, and restart OneNote to resolve most syncing or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.